Toppie eating grapes. She loves grapes. And this is K-Rev and M-Han. Man, this is Toppie, and this is Dr. Skillet 1, if you didn't know. Man, we just got back from the park and we slid her down the slide. That didn't turn out very well. She buried her head in my shoulder the whole time we went down. I got her grape that she ate. You can't eat pepper, Toppie. Here, Toppie, eat your grapes. Toppie, eat your grapes. She's like, I'm full. Toppie. Toppie, look. Grapes. Oh, yum, yum. Yum. Toppie, you're so picky. Don't show my face. You won't go back. Bye, people.
Bye.
Bye, YouTube.
That was her grape that she ate.
Bye, YouTube.
Bye.